I2C front camera repair tutorial. After changed the front camera directly, when switching to movie effect will lag. How to fix it? The first step is to unbind. If with the original front camera, then unbind the original accessory. For without original front camera, need do phone flash unbind factory code. Remove the flex cable of the replaced camera. Clean the residual glue on the weld pad. Then apply solder oil and tin evenly. Take out the I2C front camera flex cable and directly solder it. The small solder pad design allows for good soldering without a microscope. Use the soldering iron tip to evenly tin each solder joint, and then apply insulating stickers after finished. Install the welded front camera onto the repair board of the i6s program, and connect the phone and the i6s to the computer at the same time. Open the I2C platform and enter the front camera function repair page. Click Cloud Burn and wait for about 20 seconds to complete. After the burning is successful, install the front camera into the phone. The phone need retain data flash, and after flash boot, test the function of the front camera. You can see that the problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching.